masala made. Hi, let's make paneer butter masala. Ingredients: paneer cubes 200 grams, butter 50 grams, a small piece of ginger, 2 to 5 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 1 tomato, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, garam masala 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon or as you need it, half cup of milk, 10 to 15 pieces of cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of sugar, tomato ketchup 2 tablespoons, kasuri methi 2 tablespoons, and 1 handful of coriander leaf. Let's start. Heat the pan and add a small piece of butter to it. Stir it until it gets melted. Now it's time to add the fine chopped ginger and garlic to the melted butter. Stir it well about 3 to 4 minutes or until both are tender. Add the fine chopped onion to it and saute it for 4 to 5 minutes or until it is cooked well. Now it's time to add chopped tomato and green chilies to it. Add salt as needed and stir it well. Cover the pot until it is cooked well. This will take another 5 minutes to cook well. Now you can add masalas to it. First, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, then 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Don't be confused with teaspoons and tablespoons, okay? Stir the masalas well for another 5 more minutes until it gets soft and smooth. Turn off the stove. Let the masala cool it completely and add it to a blender. Add 1 cup of water and blend it well until it becomes smooth puree. Heat the pan, add butter and stir until it gets melted. Pour the onion tomato puree to the melted butter. Cup of water immediately and stir it well. Close the lid and keep the flame low for another 10 minutes. Make sure the flame is set to be low. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and stir it well. Now you can add the paneer cubes to it. Take 2 tablespoons of crushed kasuri methi and add it to the butter masala. Do you know what is kasuri methi? It is dried fenugreek leaves. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar to it. It's a time to make the cashew milk cream. Add the cashew nuts and milk to a blender and blend it well until it gets smooth. Keep the flame low and add the cream to it. You can add a small piece of butter to it. Take 1 handful of chopped coriander leaves and spread it over the masala. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Paneer butter masala is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Please like and share the video if you really like Masala Man.